regulator three-phase output induced voltage goes to excited transformer, then to bridge rectifier. If abnormality in output voltage, then AVR comes into picture and control firing angle of thyristor bridge. In circuit diagram of this part, in static excitation system, three-phase output power of main alternator is transferred to step-down transformer for 15.75 kV output voltage. It stepped down to 415 volts AC, as we need DC supply. Therefore, transformer output is connected to a three-phase controlled thyristor full bridge rectifier. The output of three-phase output power of main alternator is also sensed by a regulator, that is AVR, automatic voltage regulator, through CTs and PTs if there is an increase or decrease in output voltage as plus or minus from 15.75 kV output voltage. The AVR gives signal to controlled rectifier, and the firing angle of thyristor full bridge rectifier is controlled by a regulator so that required field excitation may be provided. Secondary terminal of CT and PT connected to generator output terminals is fed to regulator. On the basis of generator terminal voltage, the regulator adjusts its firing angle. For example, if generator output voltage has increased beyond its rated voltage of 15.75 kV assumed, in that case, field current must be reduced to maintain the terminal voltage. Therefore, regulator increases the firing angle so that average value of DC current may reduce. Similarly, if the generator terminal voltage goes below its rated value, then field current must be increased. Therefore, regulator decreases the firing angle to increase the average value of the field current. As in static excitation system, excitation is provided by field winding wound on the rotor. Therefore, slip rings and carbon brushes are used. During startup, there is no generator output terminal voltage. In such case, excitation power shall be provided using separate source using a battery bank. As soon as the generator reaches its rated speed, its terminal voltage reaches to rated voltage, and hence static excitation system comes in picture. Thus, as soon as generator reaches its rated speed, battery bank is isolated and excitation power is fed by static excitation system. One battery is of 12 volts, so 125 battery in series and parallel combination around 900 RDC2. Rotor field winding. This is field discharge resistor. To prevent this voltage from becoming excessive, a resistor is connected across the winding. This resistor is known as the field discharge resistor. Its output 11 kV voltage, which is set value for AVR. It cannot be plus minus 11 kV. It must be constant to control if we have the AVR. This is rectifier transformer that is excited through phase star delta step This uses with power electronic devices like an SCR that fails. The blowing of the line fuse or tripping the circuit breaker. Field breaker is used for isolate, charge the field excitation supply to the main exciter, irrespective of type of power plant, and it is also connected with discharge resistor for discharging the field found and while the excitation shutdown of the generator